Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make veg meringue. First, gather your ingredients. The star of our show is aquafaba, the liquid from a can of chickpeas. You'll need about 1/2 cup. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are spotless. Any grease can prevent your meringue from stiffening properly. This simple swap makes delicious vegan treats possible. Now, let's get whipping. Pour your aquafaba into the clean bowl. Start on medium speed, then increase to high. After a couple of minutes, add about 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. This helps stabilize the mixture. Keep whipping for 5 to 7 minutes until it forms stiff, glossy peaks that hold their shape when you lift the whisk. Once you have those beautiful stiff peaks, it's time to sweeten things up. Slowly add superfine sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time, while the mixer is still running on high. You'll need approximately 3/4 cup of sugar in total. Continue whipping until the mixture is smooth, glossy, and the sugar has completely dissolved, leaving no grittiness. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious vegan meringues. Gently spoon or pipe the mixture onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for about 90 minutes. Once baked, turn off the oven and let them cool completely inside. This ensures they become perfectly crisp and delightful. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.